Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Mad Monday. Today I have a quick tip for you concerning supports and I will show you. Alright, as you can see we have our OCM hook right here, which will be an example for the automatic support script. We've placed it 3 millimeter above the substrate blade. Because we need some space to cut it from the substrate blade. And right here you choose the support script you'd like to use. This is something we will do for you or develop for you as a customer. It is the most fitting automatic support script for this specific parameter. And right here you've seen that it is calculating the critical overhang support and has placed supports on these overhangs. Of course you can edit the supports as you like. This is still an option in the support editor, and at the moment the critical angle is 45 degrees, and now I will change it to 50 degrees and recalculate it again, which will need some time because it's scanning the whole part for overhang angles of 50 degrees. Now, as you can see, it has placed, or the support script has placed supports wherever 50 degrees is the overhang angle. And for each support you can edit it as you like. For example, you can shrink it, which I will try right here. So you can minimize the area where supports are on the substrate blade, and now you can leave the support editor and you have optimal supported OCM hook. So guys, I hope this was helpful for you, and stay tuned for the next episode of Mad Monday. Bye bye.